Hey guys, it's Bernard here from the Silicon Insider YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you on a tour on my PC gamer. I've already done the unboxing of the monitor, the current monitor, and then my system unit. I'm leaving the link up here so you can go watch it. Now if you're new here, consider subscribing. You smash that like button. You comment down below what you think about this PC gamer. I hope you guys enjoy it. And now we are on my PC gamer, and the first thing that I will show you guys is the mouse pad, the RGB mouse pad. Now it has a button here that you can press to change the color. Now I've turned it off. Now let me turn it on. You see, if I press on it again, it's going to change color. Again, it's going to change, you know, like that. You see how beautiful it is. Now let's go on to the mouse. Yeah, this mouse it's really lightweight, you understand, and for FPS gaming I don't really like it, you know, but I think it's okay. Let's get on to the keyboard. Now I bought the keyboard and then the mouse together. It came together, you know. It's not that good, but man, I love it because of the colors, you understand. Yeah, and then when you press on it, I think it's okay, it's dope. Now let's get on to the monitor. With the monitor, it has an inbuilt audio, you know. It's not that loud, but I think it's okay. Yeah, it's at 240 Hz, and it has an RGB. Has the RGB. That's one beautiful thing I love about this monitor. Aside it's being curved, you know, it gives you total immersion when you're gaming, you know, it makes it beautiful. You know, the system unit, let's talk about it. It has the RGB power supply. Yeah, you can be changing the colors, you know, as you're pressing on it, it's changing. Turn it off, you know, you changing it. Beautiful thing. And then the fans, you know. Yeah, so that's it. And now let's get into the specifications, the full specs. So we have the RGB, the smart RGB 500 watt power supply. We also have the Intel Core i5 9th gen, yeah, with 6 core, 6 thread, 2.9 gigahertz, and then 9 megabyte cache, and it's without integrated video. So we have the SSD, the SATA, yeah, that's the M.2, 240 gigabyte. We also have our RGB memory. We have 16 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte each with 3000 megahertz. And our video card, that's the only low expense that I added. That's the RS 550. Let's see all our RGB fans. Man, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, to be honest. You can get your beautiful long sleeve ProMark shirt in the description.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemy soldier incoming.